So we're back at it again with more comfortable heels. I'm a comfortable girly. I like to be able to wear my heels, but I like fashion. I like to be cute. So you want to be comfortable, you want to be cute. Is there a middle? Yes, these are these shoes. These are awesome. They provide arch support. The arch support is honestly an amazing thing. Like, they're completely lined. They are padded. They're comfortable. They don't hurt your feet. I mean, honestly, you can like walk around in these all day. The support on these is insane. Love the color. Love the design. Padding helps with everything. Honestly, these are a 10 out of 10. One of my favorite pairs. I love wearing them with dress pants. They give you a little bit of a height. They give you support. You're just all around business casual or just a night out. Adorable. They are so comfortable. The strap on them is just elegant. Everything about them. I love this company. I love their shoes. These are my go-to. These are my favorite. And honestly, these are just everything. I absolutely love how they look. Walking around in them has been a breeze. They're honestly so comfy. Look how cute. Again, I told you I was going to walk around in them, show you how they do. They perfect. Okay, there's no problem, no blisters, no hurt. Feels wonderful. These are great. Yeah, I'm going to do a little dance. I'm going to show you you can do everything, okay? These are everything. I love these shoes. Elegant. I probably wouldn't wear these with jeans, but everything else I would.